Hello guys and welcome to a new video on this channel. So let me show you based on your suggestions. So this idea was taken from the idea board of Aimogen. So based on your suggestions, you will be able to limit the menus which will appear for any user role in the Aimogen plugin. Also, you will be able to show or hide the plugin on specific user roles. So let me show you this feature in action. Keep in mind, Aimogen is linked in this video description. So first of all, let me show you how the plugin will be able to hide its menus based on the role of the current user. So for example, let's say that I don't really use the chatbot, neither assistants, and neither other parts of the plugin from below of it, and I want to simplify the interface of Aimogen and hide it. So for this, I go to limits and statistics. There we will find in the latest update of the plugin a new tab, plugin menu restrictions, and here select the role for which you want to restrict the plugin menus. For example, I want to restrict this for myself, for administrator users, and afterwards select the menus which will be still shown. So for example, I use until the chatbot and I don't use the below parts of the plugin. So because of this, I select here administrator, I select the menu entries that I want to use and display and click save settings. Now, as you can see, the plugin just got simplified and you can play with this. Note that if you are administrator, you cannot remove the limits and statistics menu because you can see that it is unselected. However, it is still showing. This is because to not allow yourself to lock yourself out of this menu, because if I would allow the limits and statistics menu to not be shown, then you might be able to lock yourself out of many menus of the plugin. Because of this, this will always be shown. Okay, so as you can see, for example, let's show only settings and omniblocks and also the limits and statistics. So for this, we have settings, omniblocks, and limits and statistics. Okay, and even more, let me show you even a greater feature, because this is just for simplification of the plugin. But for example, I have logged in here in an incognito window using a subscriber role user. Now let's make the plugin be displayed for this subscriber role user. So for example, let's select here subscriber in the user roles to see the plugin in admin menu besides administrators. So besides the administrators, if you select subscriber, also subscribers will see the plugin in their menu. And note that they see full menu listings in their plugins. To restrict this, select subscriber, select the user role you want to restrict, and for example, allow them access only to the playground, for example, so they will be able to test some parts of the plugin. So now if we refresh this and check the Aimogen plugin, only the playground of the plugin is visible, as you can see now here. Okay, so we can change this. We can restrict the plugin to show only the single AI post creator, for example, for subscribers. Or if we hold down the Control key, we can select multiple entries. So if we refresh the plugin, you can see it is showing the single AI post creator for our subscriber role user. And if we select here multiple entries, and holding down the Control key, select multiple entries and save settings. If we refresh this, we will see that we have also omniblocks and bulk AI post creators. Okay, so as you can see, the plugin just got a lot more user-friendly and advanced. You will be able to restrict which user roles will see the plugin. So by default, only administrators will see the plugin. Otherwise, you will be able to set which user roles will be able to also see the plugin. And also you will be able to play with this role selection and assign custom plugin menus to custom roles, and you can remove these limitations like this. So if you want to show all the menus of the plugin, simply remove this rule, this limitation rule, and each menu of the plugin will be once again displayed. So this is how you will be able to use the visibility settings for the menu restrictions for Aimogen. So this will allow you to set up membership sites and many more cool features. Just go ahead and play with this new functionality of Aimogen. Okay, so Aimogen linked in this video description, as I mentioned. Also the ideas board is here. You can share in this video's comments any new idea that you have, and I will add it here to the ideas board. Afterwards you can come to this URL, which is also linked in this video description, and vote on the next features which should be added to Aimogen. Okay, so thank you for watching until the end. I really appreciate this. Like, share, subscribe. It's really helping me grow and this channel to grow. And yeah, this is all for today. Until next time, bye bye.